made of silver. You see the Srivats type symbol. When this was discovered at Kunal, this is dated 3200 to 3000 BC. Then archaeologists said this is a Tyre, Roman word. Are Roman? कहाँ 3000 BC में Roman है. This is prototype Srivatsa. Then you see the Srivatsa. Then another one, terracotta image called Baror. This is some 3000 BC. Baror is the Harappan site. You see the seated position of the Tirthankar. So these are some early iconographic evidence and symbolic representation of Jain symbol and art. Then top one, another is the Samadhi of the saint from Balathal, so 1500 BC. They say only saint. I say this is Jain saint, seated in the yogic pose. Next one is from early historic period. Everybody knows. Sinar will tell you about this. This is from Mathura. Then another one is anthropomorphic figure. Looks like Srivat. Our P.K. Agarwal, son of Vasudeva Sir Agarwal, wrote long back that Srivats has origin from anthropomorphic figure. Last one is anthropomorphic. Then this is the next slide. Kalcha. This is the Mehergarh, 3500 BC. Then next one is from Sonoli. This is 2400 BC. Here you see this is made of wood plus copper. The first row has 6. Second row has 12 spokes. Third row has 24 spokes. And then you see the 22. So at Sarnath we have 24 on top and 32 on top and 24 at the middle. This we also get a Sanchi Ashokan pillar. So they started saying, no, this wheel is a Buddhist. Why Buddhist? We have similar 24 spokes wheel from Chausa and other sites. So why not Jain? So I will say at this stage, this is neither Jain nor Buddhist. This is continuous Sanatan tradition which were existing from 3500 BC, and this chakra was also adopted by Buddhist, also adopted by this Jain in the later period. Then there is a typical Buddhist chakra which has 24 spokes. Then you see the chronology. Chronology I won't tell you in detail because here I will say one thing. We get image of Adinath around 2400 BC at Mohenjo-daro and other places or Harappan site. But the antiquity of the actual event of the Adinath is definitely 3800 BC because his worship began in 3000 BC, but its period goes early then. And sometimes people say Adi Shiva. Sometimes people say Adi Pashupati. What is this? This is Adi Pashupati is nothing. This is Adinath. Their Pashupati, their Shiv is a later thing. We also get that in the Indus Valley. But Adi means the Adinath. Here you see that in the beginning, I am talking of the mother goddess or Ambika. Ambika is a Jain name, but the general name is mother goddess. In the beginning, we have Belan Valley, mother goddess, 18,000 BC, that is bone long on top. Then a triangular symbol from Baror, mother goddess. This is 12,000 BC. Then terracotta yoni symbol of the female. This is 4,500 BC from Shahri Khan Tarakai in Pakistan. So this is the, then you see in a rock painting there is a symbol of the mother goddess. So this type of triangles and other symbols were the symbolic representation of the mother goddess around 4,000, 5,000 BC. Then from Harappan side you see the mother goddess and triangular shaped mother goddess. Then this is from Bihar, Gauri Nandangarh, mother goddess, some 1,000 BC, made of gold. So mother goddess origin is very old, and this later on adopted by Sanatani people And the early historic period, we also started saying Ambika. When in the Indus Valley we have Ambika image with a child or Ambika without child. So many female, I will go next. You see, so many mother goddess from Mehergarh, these are all early than 3000 BC. Why mother goddess? This is, it says Matra Devi or you say the ancient form of the Ambika. Then mother goddess. Then
But
mother
with-
goddess. This is
Doctor
all.
sir, please excuse me, with child, where it is?
No, some
No, I don't
images,
mind, I don't mind.
some images have a child, some images don't have child. You see, Istu is a very old thing. This was not started by Buddhists or Jains. These were existing in India before the 6th century BC. Here you see on the top there is Istu from Mohenjo-daro, then Mohenjo-daro, then Kushan-Bira Sutta, then Dholavira. A stoop is carved on stone. This is 2600 BC. Then stoop say structure from Dholavira. So then Jain stupa of the early medieval period. So stoop has old origin. Yes. This is famous, the dancing girl from Mohenjo-daro, these three. Then another one is our Dubeji, excavated from eastern UP. This is 4th century BC. This is also, they say, dancing girl. And then this is a terracotta from Garo. Recently, one professor of BHU said this is yogi, yogini, not dancing girl. Professor T.P. Verma. Yes, he's correct. When he wrote this thing, people surprised. No, dancing girl. This is dancing girl, but this is actually yogini, and yogini or yakshi. And this continued in the Indus Valley civilization and also continued in the Kushan period, Maurya period. Here you see the yakshi terracotta from Mathura, and this is Jain yakshi. So it is very difficult to identify is there Jain yakshi or the Bodh yakshi. You have to use the word yakshi. Here you see you are talking about the Ambika, na? You see the child in the hand. Good statue.
I was referring to the
Middle one has a child, Dr. Tiwari. Look at this middle one. So this is Ambika from Patliputra. This is 3rd, 4th century BC. Now in Bihar Museum, this is the best piece of wood. And here you see the yakshi. You can call it yakshi or yogini or Ambika. These things, what you say, child in the hand, then you will only call Ambika, no. When loin is there, then you will call Parvati, no. This is later development. But in the before 3rd century BC, so all these things looks like Yakshini or Ambika, and this, I am saying that these are oldest example of the originality of these figures in the Indus Valley. Here you see, these are, the people say these Salmanjika, some other groups say these are Yakshi. Some people also use this Yakshi. So these are Kushan period, 1st century. It is up to you to say this is Jain Yakshi or Buddhist Yakshi, or this is related with the folklore. You see the what beautiful, I mean, bronze Yakshi from Sonk. This is from Central Asia. Another one was discovered from Sonk. This is 2nd century BC. These are the Yakshi. So I say this could be the Jain Yakshi also, because in the some of the Ayak we got terracotta we got Yakshi from Mathura and other places. You see the other seated, people say these are the seated images, looks like below two is in Indus Valley, and these are seated. This is also from Mesopotamia, other are from Mohenjo-daro. Till today we got 15 seals and 2 copper tablets depicting seated human figure. Whether you call it a Adinath, or you call it a Adi Shiva, or you call it Adi Pashupati, this is up to you. But I say these are the